Dito tayo ngayon sa Port Call. It's about 30 minutes drive mula sa bahay. Kasama ko si Mrs. ngayon at papalipad tayo ng drone. Bale, ako lang tsaka yung baby namin, si King. Kasama namin dahil sa school yung bunso at may trabaho naman yung panganay natin, kaya ganun lang naman dito. Bali, pag namamasyal kami ngayon, yung baby na namin ang kasama namin. Hindi ko pa ito nakunan ng vlog o ng drone. Bali ngayon lang, dati na kami nagpupunta dito, pero bali ngayon lang kami namasyal dito. At gusto kong kunan ng drone, kaya magpalipad tayo. Subukan din natin yung nabili nating baterya.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in the trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I fear. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I fear. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily, I wish that it'd be easy to be in love. up? When did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I fear. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. Oh,
Yan, tapos na tayo nagpalipad ng drone. So, maglakad-lakad lang kami ni Mrs. Siyempre kasama yung aming baby. Ganda ng panahon. Mainit.
Finish your water. No more?
Yan, hanap lang tayo ng ibang location mga kasambalin nyo. Pagpalipad na tayo doon kaya lipat naman tayo. Kita nyo naman maraming tao ngayon dahil gawa nga ng magandang panahon.
At sundown, come down, think about where we are. It's a long way, way up to everything that we want. But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we love, it's not a long way, way to the spot where we already are. Stay here under the palm trees. Oh, won't you lay here with me? Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with you. When everything
Electric yan eh.
is a brand new start. Baby, there's no
Charge
plan
eh.
for the wicked.
So,
Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with you. In our kingdom, kings fall dropping like little flies. There's a price to pay to getting the things we want. But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we need, we wouldn't need that looking at the things we have. Stay here under the palm trees. Won't you lay here with me?
yan, lumipat tayo ng location. Problema lang kasi maraming ibon. Yan ang kalaban natin pag lumilipad ng drone.
No plan for the wicked. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There's no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with ya. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the
got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know.
Okay, yan lang mga kasambalay nyo. At hindi na kaming kikilos. At alas 5 na. So may oras pa rin kami pitik-pitik konti. Dahil gaya nga nasabi ko, alas 7 pa lalabas yung pagso ko. Meron silang rehearsal dahil meron silang show simula bukas. 3 araw na show sa school. Bali, makakapanood ako bukas dahil last day off ko bukas. So, manonood ako bukas. Bali, yan na yung last show na gagawin ng bunso ko dahil gagraduate na nga sila dyan sa school nila. At school holiday na. Then back na sila on September, ano? September. Tapos by that time sa London na siya mag-aaral, kaya na show nila ito 3 days show, kaya big event sa kanila ito yung mga mag-graduate. Bali, kaya excited din si Bunso. Buti na lang at day off pa tayo bukas, last day natin, kaya makakapanood pa ako bukas alas 7 ng gabi yung show nila. So, bang-abangan na lang natin. Tignan ko, kasi bawal kumuha, mga kasambalay nyo, bawal kumuha ng video, makaka-copyright tayo. So yung mga nagdaang mga show niya hindi ko na ilalagay sa vlog dahil nga bawal. But tomorrow, total last naman na niya, I will try. Dadali natin itong camera natin, itatago lang natin. Kahit paunti-unti lang makakuha ko at ma-share ko sa inyo dito sa ating vlog para makita nyo yung anak ko sa kanyang show. Kanyang last show kung tawagin niya. Kaya tingnan natin bukas. Okay? Ito nagpaalam na ako kanina. Ito na yung play. So, ingat po kayong lahat. Shout out sa lahat ng subscriber ko at ingat po. Okay? God bless us all. Okay, bye-bye! Bye-bye, boy!